Hello, good morning to everyone. Now we will start our 10.2 exercise of circles. Yesterday we already discussed what is circle, what is center, what is radius, what is semicircle, what is circumference, what is segment, what is sector, and what is chord. I think everyone understand it. What is chord? Okay. Now we will learn angle subtended by a chord at a point. Subtended means angle made by a chord. Angle make. What angle make by the chord? Suppose this one. It is a circle, and we know it is a chord. It is AB chord. Yes, it is a AB chord. AB chord. What is chord? Chord is a line segment whose end point lie on circle. Now, angle made by a chord at a point or at any point. Suppose this angle is made by chord. So this one angle C. So angle C is made by angle chord C. Same as it is one more angle. This one angle D. Angle D is also made by chord like this one. You can check it. So this one. So it is called angle subtended angle. So it is called how much angle made by a chord. Okay. So like this one. We can make like this one also. It is AB chord and angle made by chord A and this one. How much angle made by chord? So this one angle. It's mean opposite of the angle opposite of any chord. So this one. So it means it is AB chord. So angle made by AB is angle D. And can you tell me? AD is also a chord. If I ask you what is the angle made by AD, so angle AD is made by how much? Angle D. Understand? Do you understand? Like this one, I am saying it is AB. Okay. So angle made by AB is how much? Suppose this one. Angle C. Angle C. Angle made by AB chord is C. And same as it is. If I ask you how much angle make by BC? So BC is make how much? Angle A. How much make? Angle A. So angle A is made by BC. Angle C make by AB. Angle B is made by chord AC. So it is called the angle subtended. Okay. So now we will learn theorem 10.1. Very important. It is 10.1. 10.1. So read first. Write equal chords of a circle. So it means chords are given equal chords. Equal chords of a circle subtend. Subtend means make. Subtend equal angle. It means equal chords of any circle. Subtend equal angles. And where? Equal angles at the center. At the center. Here we learn only angle made by the chord on circle. But angle made by chord on center. So this is center. So this is the angle. Okay. So this angle is how much is made. So he is asking in this question. We have to prove that equal chords of a circle. Any circle is given. Okay. And chords are given equal chord. Any two chord you can take. Equal chord. Suppose A, B chord. Next is suppose you are taking C, D chord. Both are equal chords. What is the given question? Equal chord. And it is a center of the circle. So angle subtend by AB chord is how much? This one. O. And angle made by CD is this one. Do you understand it? So we have to prove that equal chords of a circle. So angle made by chord AD, how much? This one angle. and angle subtended by CD is this one angle. So we have to prove that equal chords of a circle subtend equal angle. So we have to prove that this angle and this angle are equal if chords are equal. AB and CD are equal. So we have to prove that when radius. And tell me, these are two different triangles. One is this one is this one. And in two different triangles, you want to prove that two angles are equal. How will you prove that? If anyhow we prove it, they are congruent. And if triangles are congruent, we can say that corresponding parts are equal. So we will write. So first always. So we start its proof. What is? So always first we will write given. What is given? Given in question, AB and CD are equal chords. Equal chord or not? Because equal chord of a circle. So AB equal to CD. Understand? To prove, what we want to prove that? We want to prove that equal chord of a circle make equal angle. Equal angle. So we want to prove that angle AOB, angle OAB, this angle equal to this one, angle COD. We want to prove this. Do you understand? What is equal chord of a circle subtend equal angles at the center? Now proof. How will you prove that? If you want to prove that these two angles are equal, how will you take? So we will take these two triangles in which these two angles are given. To write in triangle AOB and triangle. It is symbol of triangle and triangle COD. So we observe that first is AB equal to CD already given. So write AB equal to CD. It is already given. Next is AO equal to OD. Can you say that? Or AO equal to OC? Yes, why? AO is radius. OD is also radius. So write AO equal to OD. To write radius of same circle. Because in a circle all radius is always equal. Very simple. Next is OB equal to OC. BO equal to OC. Same reason. Radius of same circle are always equal. Understand it? So we prove it. AB equal to CD is already given because both of the chords are given equal. Understand? Next, AO equal to OD and BO equal to OC. They are radius of same circle. So we have the side. So right, triangle AOB congruent to which one? AB. So congruent to triangle. First AB equal to CD. AB. A and B first and last. So here is also first and last. CD, C and D, and B is so COD. Triangle COD congruent by side congruency rule. Congruency. Everyone know this one. Next, if they are congruent, so it means corresponding parts always equal. It means AO equal to CO, OB equal to OD, and AB equal to CD. In these two triangles, how many corresponding parts? 6 are corresponding parts. 3 are angles, 3 are sides. So we know we observe that angle O and angle O are both are in middle. It means both are equal. So right, angle AOB equal to angle COD by CP CT. And what we want to prove that? AOB equal to COD. And it's proved. So always remember, we will use directly these theorems. Equal chords of a circle Equal chords of a circle always subtend equal angle. Equal chords, if AB and CD if equal, it means they will make same angle at the center. At the center. At the center. Understand it? Don't note down it. It is very important. Now opposite. Now we start next. Now theorem number 10.2. Theorem number 10.2. 10.2 is opposite of 10.1. In 10.1 is given equal chord make equal angle. But now we are saying if angle made by the any two chords is equal, then chords is always will be equal. Opposite of this one. Okay? To write, what is theorem? If the angle subtended, note down it, if the angle subtended by the chords of a circle if the angle subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal. In first part is given chord are equal and we have to prove that angle subtended by chord is equal. Now angle is already given at the center. At the center are equal. Then we have to prove that then chords are equal. Then the chords are equal. Now we have to prove that chords are equal. In first part chords are equal given, we have to prove that angle are equal. Now angle are equal, we have to prove that chord are equal. So now it is a circle given. If it is a circle and it is given angle subtended by the chord, any two chords, you can take A and B chord and it is center O and angle made by this one and one more chord CD. CD. So angle made by CD, this one. So it means these two angle is already given. Angle subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal. Center is already given equal. Now we have to prove that AB equal to CD. So write first given angle subtended by chord at center are equal given. So what is angle? So angle AOB equal to angle COD. If the angle subtended by the chords are equal, then prove that chords are equal. Then prove that what we want to prove that? Prove that AB equal to CD. Prove that then the chords are equal. What? AB equal to CD. We again observe that AB and CD in two different triangles. And if you want to prove that two sides are equal in two different triangles, so how will you prove that they are equal? We will prove that first they are congruent. Okay? We will prove that congruent. To write in triangle, so first we will take two triangles in which AB and CD are given. To write in triangle AOB and triangle COD. So now first how will you can prove that? First is given. What is given? AOB equal to COD. This angle and this angle is already given equal. So write angle AOB equal to angle COD. Already given. Next is, now what is again equal? AO equal to OD. Why? Because both are radius. AO equal to OD. radius of same circle. Okay. Next is same as it is. AB equal to CD. Can you see that? No, we want to prove it. We don't know they are equal, but OB equal to BO equal to OC. Again same region. And we observe that by what property? Angle side side. Which means side angle side. Side angle side. Both triangles are congruent. So right triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD by side angle side congruency rule. Very simple. But we want to prove that AB equal to CD. So we already proved that these two triangles are congruent. We already proved that. Now we are that AB and CD are corresponding or not. Yes. A is last, B is first, A and B first and last, C and D. So it means they are corresponding parts. So AB equal to CD by CP CD. Understand it? So now we already proved it. Both theorems. 10.1 and 10.2. And 10.2. Understand it? So always remember, if chords are equal, then angle made by the chords at center are equal. Next is the opposite of 10.2. What is? If angles are same at the center made by the chord, then chords are equal. It means if chords are equal, then angle are equal. If angle are equal, then chords are equal. So both are the opposite to each other. Now exercise 10.2. Question number 2. Question number 2, same as it is this one. It is the question number 2. Same as it is. This one is the question number 2. 10.2 theorem is question number 2. In question number, what is question number 2? That prove that if chords of congruent circles subtend equal angle at their center, then chords are equal. Okay. Otherwise, only little bit difference. Only I will tell you one part, then you do your side. Okay. So now 10.2. Dekho, in 10.2 theorems is given only in one circle. But in 10.2 exercise, question number 2. Only same as it is. Proof is same as it is. Only little bit difference. Only single in both questions. So first tell me, what is congruent triangle? Congruent triangle mean two triangles whose shape and size are same. It means both are the radius are equal. Yes. Congruent triangle mean what is the congruent circles? Circles mean both of the circles have same radius. So we will write. So question number 2, what is given? Question number 2. Prove that if chord of congruent circle, chord. So two circles are given. And what is given? Prove that if chord of congruent circle. So it means circle are given congruent. So it means both of the circle are same size. Same size. So it means if both circles are congruent, it means their radius are same. Very good. Next, if the chords of the congruent circle subtend equal angle, we don't know how much length of AB, and it is CD. In theorem number 10.2, we make only one figure. In question, we make two figures because here given two circles, but here is only one circle. So it means if the chords of congruent circles, here is right, one word, circles, so it means two circles, subtend equal angle at their center. It means this chord AB and this chord, this angle and this angle are equal. You can write it is for O center, it is center O dash. O dash or M, you can write any number. Now you have to prove that if chord of two congruent circle make equal angle, then prove that chord are equal. The chords are equal. What we want to prove that? To prove AB equal to CD. How will you prove that? So proof. So it means we observe that AB and CD in two different triangle. In two different triangle, how will you prove that two sides are equal? So we will take this one triangle and this one triangle, and we know AO equal to CO or not. AO equal to C or not. Why? Because reason we will write it, because both triangles are congruent. Yes, and if triangles are congruent, it means radius is also equal. So we will write AO equal to OC. Why? Because radius of same circle, no, radius of congruent circle. And I always know, if two circles are congruent, this means their radius are equal. It means AO equal to CO and OB equal to OD. Same as it is, we will write OB equal to OD. Same as radius of congruent. So it means side angle side. Side angle side. Both of the triangles are congruent. If triangles are congruent, corresponding parts are equal. Therefore, AB equal to CD. So you have to remember this. Okay. Only in theorem 10.2 we make only one figure, but in question number 2 we make separately figure. Okay, because here same as it is 10.1 theorem and question number 1 same as it is. What is in 10.1 theorems we already proved that if congruent are equal, if chords are equal, C and D, if chords are equal, then they make equal angle at a center. We already proved that. But in 10.2, in question number 1, 10.2, question number 1, recall that two circles are congruent. So already given. Recall that two circles are congruent if they have same radii. Then prove that equal chord of congruent circle. So equal chords. So one's congruent circle, one circle, and second is, and it is given AB chord and equal chord. What is given already? Chord are equal given. AB equal to CD already given. Equal chord of congruent circles. Subtend equal angle at the center. So prove that if chords are equal of two congruent, make subtend equal angle. So equal angle O dash. So how will you prove that? So it means we want to prove that angle O and angle O dash are equal. So to prove angle AOB equal to angle CO dash D. O dash or O. So same as it is. Question number, theorem number of 10.2. Yes, how will you prove that? AB equal to CD already given because chords are equal. AO equal to CO because radius of congruent triangle. Same as it is. OB equal to OD and AB equal to. So it means by side. These two triangles are, this one and this one are congruent. If triangles are congruent, then corresponding parts are equal. So only in question you have to make two figure, but in theorem only one figure. So I hope you understand it. It is very simple. Okay. So two important theorems we will discuss today. We already discussed. What is? First is, if chord are equal, then they will make a equal angle at a center. If angle made by the chord at center is equal, then chords are equal. So it means if chords are equal, then angle are equal. If angle are equal, then chords are equal. I hope understand everyone. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.